Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to SM Public Academy Campus 5. Hello. Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SM Public Academy Campus 5. This is your math subject and I am your teacher, Mrs. Samir. All students, you are all requested to please switch on your camera and focus your camera on your faces. Yes, students, everybody switch on your camera. Mehak, Alia, Fiza, Firoz, Parva, beta switch on your camera. Yes, students, tell me what is your experience about the mock forms? How many students get 5 marks out of 5 marks in these forms? I hope now you have got the idea of how to solve the final examination Google form. So these meet mock forms. Okay, Fiza, no problem. When I okay Fiza, अगर आपको जब मैं आपको कॉल करूंगी नेम आपको कॉल करूंगी तो फिर आप फौरन जो है अपना अनम्यूट करके आप मुझे फिर जवाब दीजिएगा, ओके? Because sometime when I call your name, tell me the answer, you don't respond, okay? So if your camera is not working, no problem. But be attentive. I can call you. I call your name anytime. So whenever I call your name, unmute your mic and tell me the answer. Okay. Now, as you all know, that we were doing the revision worksheet yesterday, and we have done question number 1, question number 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 2 questions are remaining in this worksheet. So today we will complete these remaining 2 questions. So take out your worksheet. So we could complete the worksheet. Everybody take out your worksheet and keep your stationery with you and do the remaining questions with me. Yes, take out your worksheet. Yes, now we will do the remaining two questions, which is about the calendar and about the graph. The last question we did yesterday was about the perimeter. Nabiha, where is your worksheet, beta? Nabiha, beta, where is your worksheet? Beta, we did fill in the blanks and true false in the worksheet. Question number 3, ascending order, also in the worksheet, and the rest of the question we did in the copy. Because the rest of the questions have 3-4 steps in each question, that's why we did in the copy. In the same way, today we will do the worksheet in the work. We will solve the worksheet in the worksheet. If you have a space, you can do this one. You can write the answers in the worksheet. Okay. So yes. Now let's start the worksheet. Question number 8. We have done question number 1 till 7, and today we will do the question number 8. which is about the calendar. Which is about the calendar. Look at the following calendar and answer the following question. So there are 4 questions here, and first of all, you will tell me that which type of calendar this is. Okay, which type of calendar is this? A solar calendar, and is this a lunar calendar? I am going to ask from Alia. Unmute yourself, beta. Yes, beta. This is a solar calendar or lunar calendar?
Solar?
Yes, beta. This is a solar calendar. And how did you know that this is a solar calendar? कैसे पता चला कि solar calendar है? Yes. क्या चीज सबसे
Because it says 31 days.
31 डेज तो है, लेकिन जो मेन जो इसका डिफरेंस है वो है मंथ्स नेम. जो लूनर कैलेंडर के मंथ्स नेम होते हैं वो डिफरेंट होते हैं, और सोलर कैलेंडर के मंथ्स नेम डिफरेंट होते हैं. यहाँ पर जो कैलेंडर है कौन से ईयर मंथ का दिया हुआ है? जनवरी का. सही है, जनवरी का दिया है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी गॉट टू नो दैट दिस इज अ सोलर कैलेंडर. ओके, गॉट इट बेटा?
Yes.
Okay, fine, very nice. Okay, now question number 1 is how many days are in January? How many days are in January? So Mohammad Usman, beta, tell me. Mohammad Usman. Yes, beta. Look at the calendar and tell me how many days are in January.
Miss 31.
31. Very nice, excellent. So the total number of days in January are 31 days. Very nice. Now, Arham. Arham, beta, where is your worksheet? Arham. Yeah. And where is your uniform? Where you are not in your uniform, beta? Unmute yourself. Yes. Beta, uniform में क्यों नहीं है?
जी मिस.
Where is your uniform? Okay, fine, no problem. Now tell me question number 2. What is the day on the first day of January? What is the day on the first day of January? First day कौन सा है? आप पहले तो मुझे कैलेंडर में देखकर बताइए. Which is the first day? Yes.
Miss Sunday.
No, check it again. First January किस डे को है?
Friday.
Friday. Yes. So the first day of January is on Friday. The first day of January is on Friday. Are you doing your work with me? Everybody write the answers with me. Now, I'm going to ask from Fatma Wahid. Fatma Wahid, beta, unmute yourself. Yes, beta.
Yes, teacher.
Where is your worksheet? Show me your worksheet, beta. Do you have your worksheet? Fatma, where is your worksheet, beta? Are you doing your worksheet with me? Okay, now come to Manahil. Manahil, you will tell me, okay, beta? Manahil, unmute yourself. Yes, beta. Are you there, Manahil?
Yes.
Yes, beta. Tell me answer number C. What is the date of the last day of the month? Date of the last day of the month.
31.
31. Very nice. So 1st January is the last date of the month. Very nice, Manoj. Now, Pizza Zainab Rizvi. Pizza, unmute yourself, beta. Yes, beta.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, beta. Do you have your worksheet?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So tell me how many Saturdays are in January? Check the column
Three.
of Saturday and count the number of Saturdays. कितने Saturdays हैं?
There are 5 Saturdays.
Excellent. Very nice, Pita. Very good. So how many Saturdays? There are 5 Saturdays in January. Alia, where is your worksheet, beta? We have given on the day of copy collection day. Every student have got their worksheet. Yes. But you write, I don't have my paper. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to ask from, I hope everybody have done this question number 8. So I'm going to start question number 9, the last question of the worksheet. This is about a graph. Following is the picture graph of number of trees in a fruit farm. Answer the following question. This is the graph, and Isar, beta, unmute yourself and tell me that which graph is this. इस ग्राफ को क्या कहते हैं हम? Isar.
Yes, miss.
यस बेटा, ये जो ग्राफ है ये कौन सा ग्राफ है? पिक्चर ग्राफ है, कॉलम ग्राफ है, पाई ग्राफ है, लाइन ग्राफ है, कौन सा ग्राफ है ये? Yes, beta, look at the graph and tell me. Isar, are you there? Okay, I am going to ask from महक अली. महक बेटा आप बताइए मुझे, unmute yourself and tell me. उस्मान एंड फिजा बेटा, मैं आपसे तो मैंने पूछ ली ना, मैं बाकी स्टूडेंट से भी पूछूंगी, उसके बाद फिर आपकी दोबारा टर्न आएगी, ठीक है? वेट फॉर योर टर्न. यस महक, आर यू देयर? Unmute yourself and tell me the answer. I told every student be attentive. I can call the name of any student and they will tell me the answer. So be attentive in your class, because I will not solve it myself. I will ask from you. Yes, now I am going to ask from Parva. Parva, unmute yourself. Parva, unmute yourself and tell me the answer. No response from Isar, no response from Parva. Very bad. Fatma Wahi. Fatma, beta, unmute yourself. Fatma Wahi, unmute yourself. Yes, beta. Fatma, are you there? Fatma Wahi, are you there? Tell me the answer, beta.
Yes, teacher.
हाँ, yes, बेटा. देखिए ये जो ग्राफ है कौन सा ग्राफ है? इस ग्राफ को हम क्या कहते हैं? यस बेटा, ये कौन सा ग्राफ है? लाइन ग्राफ है, बार ग्राफ है, कॉलम ग्राफ है या पिक्चर ग्राफ है? Which graph is this? इस ग्राफ को क्या कहते हैं? यस बेटा, टेल मी द आंसर। मुश्किल है ये वाला सवाल? So nobody is telling me the answer. Now I'm going to ask. Yes beta. Amna. Amna, beta unmute yourself. Amna.
Miss, this is a pictogram.
Very nice. Only 3-4 students are attentive in the class. They are telling me the answer. Whenever I ask them, they tell me the answer very promptly and very quickly. Otherwise, the rest of the students don't tell me the answer. I call their names again and again, They don't tell me the answer. Even they don't bother to unmute themselves and tell me the answer. मैं names call करती रहती हूँ, बेटा unmute करें, कोई जवाब ही नहीं देता. This is not a way to conduct to take a class, beta. If you are taking the class, be attentive. I can ask the question.
Nice.
Okay. Very nice, Amna. Very good. This is a
Yes, miss.
yes. So now can you tell me the question number 1. How many guava trees are in the farm? How many guava trees are in the farm?
Miss, there are
Check the number of
50
trees.
guava trees in the farm.
यहाँ पर पिक्चर दी हुई है 5 ट्रीज की, लेकिन इन्होंने पहली की में बता दिया है कि 1 tree represent 10 trees. 1 tree represent 10 trees. Very nice, Amna. Good, excellent. So that's why we say that there are 50 trees in the farm. There are 50 trees in the farm. Very nice, Mohammed Usman. You tell me the correct answer. Now, Isar. Isar, unmute yourself, beta. Isar, if you are there, unmute yourself and tell me the answer of bid number B. Isar, अब जो जवाब मिलेगा उसको मैं एब्सेंट मार्क करूंगी. सब यही होगा.
Yes, miss.
यस इसार बेटा, मुझे इसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का बी का आंसर बताइए. How many more peach trees than apple trees? Peach trees, there are 4 peach trees here, and in the apple tree column there are 3 apple trees. So how many more peach trees than apple trees? क्या करेंगे हम इसमें? Yes. Yes. Now who want to tell me the answer? Isa is not responding. Usman, आपका आंसर थोड़ा सा रॉन्ग है, इसको माइनस करना है बेटा. मोर ट्रीज, यानी कि मोर ट्रीज में क्या करेंगे हम? पीच ट्रीज में से एप्पल ट्रीज को माइनस करेंगे. वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट apple trees from peach trees. So here the number of apple trees are 30. Trees are here. So when we multiply by 10, it becomes 30 trees. And the number of peach trees are 4. When we multiply by 10, it becomes 40 trees. So 40 trees of peach trees and 30 trees of apple trees. And when we subtract 30 from 40, we get the answer. Okay, Mahek, no problem. You can tell me the answer in the chat box. Okay, whenever I ask you any question from you, you can tell me the answer in the chat box. So the number of trees are 10 trees. How many more peach trees than apple trees? 40 minus 30 is equals to 10 trees. We will subtract here because here in the question more is given, whenever the term more is used in the question, it means we will subtract. Okay. Whenever the term more is used in any word problem, in any question, we use subtraction. Okay. Yes, Maham, if you have any question, you can ask me in the chat box. Yes, Usman, nice. So now, which fruit is in the least number? Which fruit is liked by the student in the least number? Who will tell me the answer? I call your name and nobody bothered to tell me the answer. Maham Rizwan. Maham, unmute yourself, beta. Maham Rizwan. Unmute yourself.
Yes, miss.
Yes, beta. Bit number C है. Which fruit tree is in the least number? तो कौन सा ट्री जो है सबसे कम नंबर में बच्चों को पसंद है?
Pear.
जोर से बताइए.
Pear.
Very nice, very good, Maham, excellent. So, pear is the tree which is liked by the least number of students. So, your answer C is pear tree. Now, bit number D. How many trees are there altogether? How many trees are there altogether? I'm going to ask from Sara Muzammil. Sara beta. Sara, unmute yourself. Sara Muzammil. Yes, Sara. Are you there? Sara Muzammil. Sara, if you are there, tell me, are you there? Are you present here? Sara Muzammil. Sara is not telling me the answer. Okay, now I am going to ask from Firoz Ali. Firoz, beta, unmute yourself. Firoz. Firoz, if you are there, unmute yourself, beta. कुछ स्टूडेंट्स के नेम यहाँ शो हो रहे हैं लेकिन जब उनके नेम्स कॉल कर रहे हैं तो वो बिल्कुल भी रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दे रहे. Yes, very nice, Usman. Very nice, excellent, beta. Your answer is correct. Hafsa, very nice. Isar, very good, very nice. Your answer is correct. Hafsa, your answer is correct. Very nice. Those who have told me the answer in the chat box, your answer is correct. It is not Sara, it is Taha. Taha is Taha. ये सारा मुजम्मिल जो ये ताहा के नाम से है. Okay, now only 2-3 students are giving me the answer. Whenever I call your name, nobody is bothered to tell me the answer. Very well. Yes, beta. I am going to ask from Arham. Arham, unmute yourself, beta. Yes, beta. The last question है, how many trees are there altogether? ये बताइए इसका आंसर क्या होगा?
Miss 140.
Very nice. कैसे निकाला आपने इसका आंसर? कैसे फाइंड आउट किया बेटा?
मिस आप 40 किए जा रही थी तो मेरे को लगा 140 होगा.
मैंने तो 140 कुछ भी नहीं बोला, अभी तक तो मैंने आंसर बताया ही नहीं है. Okay, I am telling the answer how to find the answer. See, there are number of trees. 3 apples are here. 3 apple trees are here. Then 4 peach trees are here. Then 5 guava trees are here, and 2 pear trees are here. So total number of trees here in the graph is 14. Okay, so total number of trees in the graph is 14, and we know that each tree represents 10 trees. Each tree represents 10 trees. So what we will do? We will multiply 14 by 10. We will multiply 14 by 10. So we get the answer here. When we multiply 14 by 10, we get the answer 140 trees. Total number of trees in the full form is 140 trees. I hope everybody have done this worksheet with me. Those who have done their worksheet, show me your worksheet in your camera. Isar, where is your worksheet, beta? Isar, sit properly and tell me where is your worksheet, Isar. Isar. Sara Muzammil. Where is your worksheet? Show me your worksheet, beta. You don't have your worksheet right now with you? Mohammed Usman, very nice, beta. Very good. Excellent. Mohammed Usman, Alia Junaid, Hafsar Magan, Aham. In each lecture, they are very attentive and very responsible in the class. Very nice. And whenever I ask them the question, they tell me the answer very quickly. Very nice. I'm very happy with Mohammed Usman, Hafsa, Fiza. They all, in all the lectures, they are very attentive and very responsible and punctual. Keep it up, beta. Yes, Taha, show me your worksheet, beta. Taha, if you have your worksheet, show me your worksheet. Yes, Hafsa, where is your worksheet, beta? Show me your worksheet. Okay, now we have done all the questions of the revision worksheet. There are 8 questions and we have done, there are 9 questions and we have done all the revision questions of this worksheet. So now you have got the idea how the Google form questions will come in the Google form of these topics. अब हम थोड़ा और रिवीजन करेंगे, लेकिन इसमें हम रिवीजन जो है वो सिर्फ किसी ऑनलाइन क्लास में ही करेंगे. कोई आपको करना काम नहीं है कॉपी में ना वर्कशीट में करना है. जस्ट यू विल टेल मी द आंसर इन द स्लाइड्स. ओके, सो अच्छा जी, माहम रिजवान बेटा आज कोई मॉक फॉर्म नहीं होगा. जस्ट 2 मॉक फॉर्म्स वर शेड्यूल व्हिच वी हैव डन, व्हिच वी हैव टेकन ऑन वेडनेसडे एंड थर्सडे. वेडनेसडे को 3 फॉर्म्स हमने मॉक फॉर्म्स लिए थे और थर्सडे को हमने कल 3 मॉक फॉर्म्स लिए. अब आपका कोई mock form nahi hota. Yes, Arham, very nice beta. Your work is, I can see your worksheet. Very nice beta. Now keep your worksheet with you, and when the final paper will come, do practice from these worksheets. Okay. Now I'm going to start the new work, the revision of yes. Yes, now you will tell me the answer in these slides. You are not supposed to do this work in any copy, in any rough copy, in any your mass copy. Yes, you will tell me the answer in these slides. Okay, this is just for your practice. ताकि आपको आइडिया हो कि किस तरीके से आपने क्वेश्चंस करने हैं. This is just for your revision. Okay, so Question 1 is shade half of each of the following figures. में आपको कुछ फ्रैक्शंस की शेप्स दी हुई है और इसमें आपको क्या करना है 1/2 1/2 so नो बेटा अभी तक महाविद्वान बेटा अभी जो है जो सिर्फ ये मॉक फॉर्म थी अभी सिर्फ कल और परसों वेडनेसडे और थर्सडे तक का ही अभी शेड्यूल था। अभी नेक्स्ट वीक का भी कुछ आइडिया हमें पता नहीं है, जैसे ही होगा तो हम आपको अपडेट कर देंगे क्लास में। ओके गूगल क्लास में। अरहम व्हाट डू यू वांट टू आस्क बेटा? यस
मिस मेरे को पूछना है कि ये जो आपने वर्कशीट कराई है ये पेपर में आएगी?
बेटा ये जो आपको अभी रिवीजन वर्कशीट कराई है ना, इससे आप प्रैक्टिस करें, इसी से तरीके से आपके क्वेश्चंस आएंगे पेपर में। ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आपके बुक से ही लिए गए ना, ये टॉपिक हमने कवर किए, इसी तरीके से आप
मिस कॉपी से कुछ आएगा?
कॉपी में भी तो बेटा बुक का ही काम है ना, सारा जो भी हमने काम कराया वो सारा बुक वाला ही कराया है ना, वही क्वेश्चन उसी तरीके से क्वेश्चन जो है वो आपके पेपर में आएंगे। ठीक है, कॉपी में वही टॉपिक्स कवर किए गए हैं जो आप अभी हम पढ़ा रहे हैं, जितने भी ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स में हम कवर करा रहे हैं टॉपिक्स, वही टॉपिक्स आपके कॉपी में है, वही टॉपिक्स आपकी रिवीजन वर्कशीट में है और वही टॉपिक अभी आपकी रिवीजन स्लाइड्स में। ठीक है, तो यही क्वेश्चन इसी तरीके से क्वेश्चन और इसी तरह के टॉपिक्स आपके जो है गूगल फॉर्म में फाइनल टर्म में। ठीक है बेटा, नो यस they say shade each or half each of the following figures. So what you will do? So what you will do in shade number 1, we will shade just half of the shade. So here we have colored, we have shaded. Now bid number B. Yes, Alia beta, you tell me.
Yes,
beta.
miss.
How many parts are there in this triangle shape? Total number of parts बताइए मुझे 2. और how many parts we will shade here?
1.
1. So we will shade here only one part. Now it becomes 1/2. ठीक है? Now it becomes 1/2. Very nice.
2.
Alia. Now Manahe, beta, you tell me. Yes, beta. इससे बताइए हम कितने टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स बताइए पहले मुझे।
1/2.
1/2. And how many parts we will shade here?
1.
1. So when we shade one part, so it becomes 1/2. Now Amna beta, unmute yourself. जी बेटा, what do you want to ask बेटा?
I want to ask that मिस आप ये कहाँ करवा रही हैं? क्योंकि वर्कशीट में तो ये वाला काम नहीं है।
नहीं बेटा, वर्कशीट we have completed. In worksheet we have 9 questions which we have done. Okay. अब ये मैं आपको ये जो स्लाइड्स करा रही हूँ, जस्ट इट इज फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस। ओके, ना आपको ये काम जो है कॉपी पे करना है, ना आपके पास इसकी कोई वर्कशीट है। इट इज जस्ट फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस। स्लाइड्स है यहाँ पर जो मैं आपको शो करूंगी और आपने बस मुझे इसके आंसर्स बताना। इट इज जस्ट फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस। ओके, गॉट इट?
ओके मिस।
यस, नाउ टेल मी इन बिट नंबर डी। यस अमना, इसमें टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स बताइए कितने हैं?
2.
2. And how many parts we will shade here?
1.
Only 1. So now it becomes 1/2. Very nice, Amna. Very good. Now I am going to ask from Maham Rizwan. Maham, beta, unmute yourself. Yes, Maham.
Yes, miss.
Beta, now come to the question number 2. Shade half of each of the following figures. सॉरी शेड क्या इधर आइए क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पे शेड 1/4 ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फिगर्स.
Okay, miss.
अब मुझे बताइए इसका जो है ना ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 देखिए यहाँ पर मैंने क्वेश्चन करेक्ट किया है. शेड 1/3 ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फिगर्स. शेड 1/3 ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फिगर्स. तो यहाँ पर
Okay,
कितने
miss.
आप देखें ना टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स कितने हैं इसमें
3,
3 and how many parts we will shade here
1.
1. When we will shade one part, now it becomes 1/3. Now it becomes
3.
1/3. Very good,
3.
beta. Very nice. Now come to the I am going to ask from Shanpa. Shanpa, are you there? Unmute yourself. Shanpa. Just 5, 4, 5 students are attentive. The rest of the students, I think, are sleeping. They are not telling me the answer. Shanpa, unmute yourself, beta. Zoha Asif, unmute yourself. Zoha Asif.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Zoha, बेटा आप मुझे बताइए. Bit number B. How many parts you will shade here?
1.
1. So when you will shade one part, now it becomes 1/3. There are total number of parts here. 3 are the total number of parts, and we will shade only one part. It becomes 1/3. Very nice, beta. Now come to I am going to ask from Firoz Ali. Firoz Ali. Unmute yourself, beta. Firoz Ali. Firoz Ali. Parva. Parva, unmute yourself. Parva. Parva, unmute yourself. Parva. Nabiha. Beta, unmute yourself. Yes.
Miss, this is one part is colored.
Very nice. So we will shade here. There are 3 parts are here, and among these 3 parts, we will shade only one part. Why we are shading only one part? Because in the question they ask shade 1/3 of each of the following figures. So that's why we are shading only one part. Very nice, Nabia. Very good. Now I am going to ask from Fiza Zainab Rizvi. Fiza Zainab Rizvi, unmute yourself, beta. Fiza.
Yes, ठीक.
Yes, बेटा. बिट नंबर डी है ना इसका आंसर बेटा आप बताइए. Yes. How many parts you will shade here?
1.
One part. And how many total parts are here? यहाँ total parts कितने हैं?
3.
3. And among these 3 parts, we will shade only one part. And when we shade one part, so now it becomes 1/3. 1/3.
3.
Very good. Now come to लास्ट क्वेश्चन 1/4 वाला मैं आपको नहीं करा रही, लास्ट क्वेश्चन पे मैं आ रही हूँ, ठीक है, तुम्हें टाइम कम है। सो here